How to use Tradify as a complete beginner. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to use Tradify. Tradify is a cloud-based job management tool that helps trade businesses streamline their workflow from job scheduling to invoicing and everything in between. It's particularly useful for businesses that are often on-site and need a mobile-friendly solution. So whether you're a plumber, electrician, or contractor, you will be able to use Tradify to set up your day-to-day business, create quotations, and send invoices. To get started, you can use their free trial. So you'll tap on Start Free Trial, and from there you'll be prompted to sign up using your email address. After you have signed up, you'll be redirected to a page like this, and you can tap on Complete Sign Up. Once you have tapped on Complete Sign Up, you'll be redirected to this section, and from here you can just choose your industry. So let's say, for example, I'm in the landscaping industry. I can tap right there, how did you hear about them? And you can select Google, or you can type in, for example, YouTube. After doing that, you can tap right there, and you'll tap on Start using Tradify. Some key features that you'll get access to with Tradify include job management, making it easy to create and assign jobs and track tasks, and you can also create quotations and invoices. You can see how many people work at Jason Tutorials, and at the moment I'll just select just me and what features is most important to you, and you can see different options whether you like to create estimates and quotes, invoicing and billing, job management. You can select whichever one of these options. So let's say I were to select estimating and quoting, and I'm just going to tap on next. Which accounting package do you use? At the moment I don't use none, so I'll tap on next. Once on your Tradify dashboard, I want you to go over to the left hand column, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to select settings. After selecting settings, from here you'll be able to set up your company. For instance, you can tap on billing rates, then you can select new billing rate, or you could tap on standard labor rate right there, and you could enter in your hourly rate. So you can enter in your hourly rate right here. So for instance, you can enter in the hourly rate that you pay your workers, or you can enter in your general hourly rate for your services. So you can fill that in right there, then tap on Save. You can also add in the tax rate. And scrolling down, you can tap on Company. From here, you could edit your company name, put in your tax number, also select your currency. After doing that, you can go over again, and you can also tap on Payments. And this is where you'll be able to connect Stripe and any other payment method that you normally use. You can also invite, or better yet, add staff members by tapping on Staff Members right here. You could select New Staff Member and you'll be able to add a staff member. Because with Tradify, you'll be able to also create timesheets, which will allow you to pay staff members if you have numerous staff members. So this is an all-in-one package that is perfect for persons that run any type of service business. You can also tap on Price List, and from here you could set up your price list. So you could tap on New, and you can add in the different products, and you can add your price list right there. You can also set up the pricing level, and you could also tap on Quotes, and you could edit the quote number prefix if you want, and you can also set up the expiration date right here and any message that you would like to add on your quotation. After you have done that, you can go over to the left hand menu option, and for instance, you could create your first quotation. So you could tap on Quotes, then you could tap on New Quote. After you have tapped on New Quote, you could add a customer by tapping on the plus, and you could fill in the customer name, address, and also email address right there. Once you have done that, you'll tap on Save. Then you can put in the quote date and expiration date, and you could also add in a reference number. After adding in the reference number, you can scroll down and you could fill in the description. So you could add some information about what they want you to do and so on. And after doing that, you can add in the quantity. You could also enter in the type of work right here, a quick description, and you can fill out the price. Once you're finished doing that, as you can see right here, so just let me do that real quick. Let's say, for example, it will be $100. You can scroll down and you could also add a note. After adding the note, you can tap on Save and Continue. After it has been saved, you could go over to the left-hand menu option, and then from there you could tap on invoices. So after you have sent the quote and you have done it, you could tap on invoices, and from here you could create a new invoice. You could tap on new invoice, then you could import it from quote, or you could tap on new customer and you can create an invoice right there. You'll just tap on the entire quote amount, then you can tap on OK. Tap on OK right there. After you have tapped on OK, it will automatically populate it with the products and so on. So that's how you'll be able to create a quote. You can also go over to the left-hand menu options and you could tap on job. So let me do that real quick. Once here, you'll be able to fill in the customer name. You can also fill in a reference number, and you could also create a category and add the job address. And you can add a quick description, and then you can tap on the plus and you can add the staff member that you would like to complete that job. You can add any notes you want by tapping on notes. You could add notes. You can also tap on time, and from there they'll be able to enter the timesheet. So you can enter your timesheet right there, and you can set up the cost for the job. After doing that, you will be able to set up all of your job information, as you can see right there. And by going over to the left-hand menu option, you'll be able to see your schedule. You can also access the timesheets, and you can put in new timesheet entry for different jobs. So right here, by tapping on new timesheet entry, you could enter it right there. And if you would like to create a website for your business, you can tap on website. And for a small fee of $12 per month, you will be able to use their professional website. As you can see right here, just give it a few seconds to load up, and you can see how it looks. So it's definitely worth it. You don't have to do any work. They have filled out the information already. All you'll need to do is tap on publish, and just like that, you have a ready-made website. So you can see that this is an all-in-one package, and you will be able to view your customers. You can also add in suppliers. By tapping on suppliers, you could tap on new supplier, and you could fill in the supplier name and contact information. And if you would like to, for example, view the reports, you can tap on reports right here, and you'll be able to view your job financial report, job sheet, productivity report, and also the timesheet report. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.